Hello, so today I'm going to be discussing different parts of the human brain. We're going to get right into it with the bottom of the brain. We're looking currently at the left side of the brain. This is the front, this is the back of the brain. The frontal lobes are up here in the front, and eyeballs would be sitting kind of underneath the frontal lobes. Now, there's a couple cool things that the frontal lobes help do. They actually help with emotional control and things of that. It's pretty much like the boss of your brain, so to speak. Spinal cord down here receives information from the body, helps with movement, reports sensory input to your brain, and also manages reflexes. The cerebellum down here at the bottom actually helps with body control, motor memory, things like that. And the cerebrum is actually it encompasses the entire upper portion of the brain. That is for integrating, making sense of data input, and it also comes to about 70 or 85% of the entire brain. There's 4 different sections or lobes of the main brain area. I already mentioned the frontal lobe. There's also the parietal lobe. That is this section right in here that encompasses all of this part of your brain. And we're looking mainly at the left portion of it. This would be the right, this would be the left. What the parietal lobe helps with also is sensory input from the brainstem. Kind of helps with all of that functionality. And the back part of the brain, or the occipital lobe, that is where sensory input from vision and that is dealt with and released to the body. The brainstem comes up, where the spinal cord comes up into the brainstem up here, and that consists of like the medulla oblongata, the pons, and things like that to help disperse different information to your body, such as like breathing and heartbeat and everything like that. It kind of controls all of those auditory things. Yeah, so that is a basic rundown of the brain and how that all connects to each other.